Got one of these frame liners that's broken. I want to show you how to replace it. So you can see here, this one had some shipping damage. So this is our new piece here. That's what it looks like from the top. Already know it's gonna fit. Cut the size from the factory. So all we need to do is just take this and roll it like this, and it comes right out. So one of the first things I'm gonna do is go ahead and take these staples and either try to push them up or pull them out. So when I put the new piece of wood in there, I can lock those back into place. And hopefully the second one will be just as easy. Just like that. Okay, we're gonna take our new piece and go ahead and install it. And as you can see, it needs to be rolled in. Okay, making sure it's all the way in there. And then I'm just gonna roll it into place. Okay, we got a good tight seam right here. Looks nice and flush. I'm gonna go ahead and take a hammer and hammer those down. Here's the finished product. So able to get those staples back in there. Now it looks like brand new. It's like it never happened. It's that easy. And that's what it'll look like when it's in the opening.